We've talked a lot about helium mining here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel and its IoT Internet of Things, and that's so beautiful. And today we're going to be looking at another IoT project, but it's not revolving around a long-range radio wave network, right, LoRa. It's not miner-based, but it's blockchain-based. Much like most IoT companies and projects, Silicon Valley-based. And really, you could view that as a huge pro. We're looking at a cryptocurrency that wants to go beyond. Right? They didn't put me up to say that. I didn't have to say that. That is your boy's own clever, on the fly recording. But we are going to go beyond with Beyond Protocol today. And to be honest, I'm an IoT nerd. 5G IoT, like Internet of Things, it's everything moving forward. It's like outside of just straight up cryptocurrency and blockchain, next best sector by far is IoT. And it's in a little bit of a buzzword, right? But let's dive into it and see what could make this cryptocurrency project great, especially in a crazy crypto market like this. And this kind of almost sounds ridiculous, but your boy's favorite athlete, right? The guy I think who's the most funny and entertaining right now. Gronkowski, my boy Gronk. He's sponsored by this project. And I'm sponsored by Tails, our resident Shiba Inu and Doge. You're on 10 seconds of Tails on every video. My name is Vosk, on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Let's do it. If you've ever wanted the benefits of mining Bitcoin, but you didn't actually want to go through the hassle of setting up your own mining rigs and building your own mini mining farm, then you're probably going to want to mine Bitcoin with Compass, who will not only help you acquire Bitcoin miners, but also connect you with co-location facilities to operate that Bitcoin mining hardware. Learn more with our link out in the video description below. So I'm going to go ahead and lead with the double hook in today's video, right? So why? They are not currently listed on Coinbase and Binance, but the rumor, I can't say officially, it's not directly from them, but what I have been told, for whatever it's worth, is that they'll be listing on exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, top tier 1 exchanges here by the end of the year. That's not that far away. And we're going to try to do more Eli 5s, right? Explain it like I'm 5. So important piece of this, like, what is this? What is Beyond Protocol? You know, like to infinity and beyond. Like, where's my boy Buzz Lightyear? Did you know that Buzz Lightyear had a movie? Okay, he had his own movie. See you later, Woody. See you later, Dinosaur and Slinky and whatever. Guess what? Buzz Lightyear had his own movie, and I'll put this on everything. His movie was better than Toy Story. His movie was better than the rest of the Toy Story series. But for some reason, nobody knows about this hidden gem of VHSs. Oh man, way too much coffee today. Eli 5 with the project though. Okay, Beyond Protocol, making electronics unhackable. That's kind of the thing. But there's a phase 2. What is phase 2? Unhackable and open up comms, right? So they can talk to each other, because that's the whole Internet of Things. It's that connected world we live in. It's like, dude, why is my fridge on the Wi-Fi? Oh, it's giving me weather updates. Or, oh, I can see a text message I got on it, or I can watch them ad while I fill up my water. I don't really know why the refrigerator, okay, I'll be honest, I don't really know why the refrigerator is on the Wi-Fi, but it is now. Same with the washing machine. You want firmware updates? Guess what? We got them for you. We might even push them without telling you. That doesn't always end up so well. So let's run the numbers. Right now, Beyond Protocol, BP, you know, we're playing some, I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. We're playing Token Pong. Yep, drank Kool-Aid. I don't know. We're looking at Beyond Protocol, BP, $44 per token, recently listed for a initial price of $10, kind of where the trading began. They claim their fully diluted market cap is $5 billion. That was at the 40 price point. We're slightly above that right now. This trading is revolving around, they're listed on Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, right? So very easy to interact and make trades there, but not a lot of activity. 24 volume, only 15 grand. They have over $1 million of volume on DigiFinex. On these exchanges, you can basically buy market making support. with your newer token launches and everything like that. And that's not a scammy or a bad thing. It's a good thing. It helps you get into these coins. You know, the volume is there. You can have bigger buys. You can have bigger sells without massive price impacts. I'm not saying that's what's happening for sure. Just to be clear, I don't know that for sure. But just, you know, in my experience, what I see typical. I definitely don't know everything, but I've been cryptoing full time for going on 5 years, kind of crazy. And you learn a couple things along the way, right? I'm not so dense I can't learn anything, all right? Let's look at the tokenomics. This, I guess this needs to be updated or a little bit outdated, but the symbol is now, the ticker, right, is BP. It's an ERC20 token, which again is, you know, how it's traded on Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that's on the Ethereum blockchain. Don't worry, we've got a full video guide on how to use it if you don't know, and another video guide on MetaMask, which is basically your gateway to dApps, as they say, and it helps you do all this crazy crypto stuff, as a summary. So, token supply. 500 million, half a bill. Percent of token supply sold to date, 6.39%. Percent of token supply allocated to advisors to date, 7%. Last market cap, 100 million. Last offer token exchange ratio, one beyond token, 20 cents. Yo, why didn't you guys hit me up? You used to be selling these things for 20 cents? It's trading for $45. And that's kind of the thing here, you know, when CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap start tracking like coins and tokens, well, they only start tracking whenever they start tracking, right? So 15 days ago, and that was the lowest price point here at $29.21. So per this, it's down 30% from the all-time high, and it's up 50% from the all-time low, and it's only up 12% in the last 14 days. But if you were able to get into this really early, get in at the 20-cent buy-in, you're up crazy. Absolutely crazy. So let's pull this up on Etherscan. So with this, we can see right now there's over 400 holders. That's a very low amount to be held. This is also a very new project. Okay, we look at the holders here on chain. We see basically their contract, right, holds 99.96%. Incredibly low distribution here of the tokens. We see the biggest token holder on here. Well, what is that worth? So he has just a dude right here just has a cool 2.5 million. You can't help but like just have like that human nature of like, you see that and you just get envious, right? A little jealous. And maybe some people laugh and be like, haha, I don't feel like that Vosk because I'm so rich. Look at me. I don't care about millions. Like, all right, bro, I guess, like, I'm not obsessed with money or anything like that. Obviously, you know, making money is part of the game and having fun and experiencing. Like, I love this. I have a ton of fun, and I also like making money along the way. Like, what's more incredible than a hobby, a passion, a job you love that you also make money with? It's kind of the dream. It's kind of the dream, right? So what we have here is a token where the market cap is hard to compute, right? And it has a lot of trading volume for kind of the size, but it's on a centralized exchange. And keep in mind that I'm only pulling up, or Etherscan, the contract can only pull up the token holders here on the Ethereum blockchain, like people making trades on Uniswap and stuff and everything like that, which, by the way, it is incredibly easy. Let me show you. Also, they launched on Uniswap v2 instead of v3, which is, we'll call it interesting, right? So let's say I want to grab $200, right? I want to grab $200 of this token, and I'll have a price impact of 0.34%. So understand that there's not a ton of liquidity on here, right? So if I wanted a whole Ethereum worth, I'm gonna have a, 1% impact on the price. So, I'd love to see like more liquidity here, maybe some incentives, liquidity mining programs, things like that. So this will get me almost 60. See, I don't like that. Give me 6 tokens. Oh, give me 6 tokens. All right, so 6 tokens. I need this much. Click. And just like that, that's how you complete a decentralized trade. Really cool. No intermediary, no KYC, know your customer, making the trade. You'll also notice, let's zoom in there. So my value here traded was $252. The gas price is 103 Gwei. The spoiler, that's gonna hurt. And so we'll let this completely go through. So while we wait for this transaction to process, doesn't take too long on Ethereum, right? But it's not super quick. Well, there we go. You know, despite me, Ethereum, sneaky guy. So right here, 6 Beyond Protocol BP tokens are bought. You know, my gas cost here, my transaction fee cost me $46 to buy them, which means if nothing changed, it would cost me $46 to sell them. So you have to like basically factor in, I need to clear $90 over my purchase price just to break even on this trade. You know, if you're looking at short-term holding and stuff like that. I mean, kind of basic stuff, but there are a lot of people that are new to the channel recently, so don't beat me up if I get a little repetitive or recap some older stuff, right? Like, one of the biggest missions here with the channel has always just been to encourage more people to get into cryptocurrency and have fun and enjoy the tech, and, you know, like reduce that barrier to entry, right? And I think that's fun and cool. Nothing is more like rewarding to me. It's like, hey, Vosk, I watched your video and I made my first trade because of it, or I built my first mining rig because of it, or whatever else. But yeah, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So, ka-ching, you know, now it's up to 418, you know, per that trade. The people making trades, buying this, holding this on the Digifinex exchange, it's never going to show up here on chain like that. So just kind of some things to think about and keep in mind. This is a project with some pretty big partners like Rob Gronkowski, and whether he acts like he has this dumb persona, the dude's very smart. So don't, you know, misunderstand that. He jokes and again, he has this personality, but he plays his role, right? And I'm sure obviously that's just kind of like him too. But look into his background. For example, like several years ago, I saw an article. It's like, yeah, Rob doesn't spend any of his NFL money. Dude literally invests all of it or saves it or whatever else. He lives off endorsements and sponsorships. So this dude's probably been investing before some of you guys were. So I don't know. I just see a lot of haters on like NFL players and Gronk, and people like to hate on Tom Brady. The dude's a machine. It's crazy. Whether you love or hate him, you can't disrespect his performance, his accolades, like the results. Data speaks for itself. Gronk is also not new to crypto. Digital trading cards, NFT craze, stuff like that. Gronk, NFT. This dude has exposure, been building a following here in cryptocurrency. This is a big impact for this project, right? And here's him wearing a shirt. He's testing a workout. And what happens here with this app they've been working on, it stores, this is honestly really cool, right? It stores the patient's health information. PHI, I think it was, right? The PHI. So, just think about this. All this stuff stored on the blockchain. It's recorded, it's immutable, and for patient health information, depending on that information, it would be best to have it an anonymous blockchain. But if you have anonymous users with information stored like in correlation with that, you know, just say like a random Ethereum address, for example, right? That's like pseudo anonymous. It's kind of close enough. It's not like someone will be like, oh, I know that dude has that blood pressure. I know it. I knew it. But integrating, like, seriously, think about this. Integrating healthcare to any degree, right? With cryptocurrency, that is a huge sector. America is built on selling you healthcare drugs, selling you health services. We eat a bunch of junk and fast food. I got fast food on the way right now. I'm a hypocrite tonight. But I'm really excited. I love chicken wings, man. I'm trying this new chicken wing place and whatever else. Anyway, sorry. Off topic yet again. So it's huge, right? And I'm not saying this is, guaranteed to make it. I'm not shilling it. I'm not, saying, oh, Vosk endorsed this and whatever else. But I'm 100% serious when I think that this is a really cool concept and I would love to see them succeed. And they have some interesting partnerships already in place. They have some partnerships that aren't really cheap. They also have these party videos. So they are also trying to appeal to the crypto degen investors. So this is my take on Beyond Protocol and kind of what's going on, a little crypto level analysis, a fundamental analysis, and kind of everything in between. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and let me know your thoughts. Do you think Beyond Protocol is going beyond, or do you think that, you flip up the visor and it's like the Buzz Lightyear meme, and you look at the team, you look at them, and you're like, no intelligent life forms anywhere to be found.
A stranger from the outside.
Greetings.
Let me know. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in every day and watching. I will see you on the next video. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money. I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.